Well, I've got a few things to do. Getting a late start, probably like 1,300 hours or so, and I'm just getting out into the garage. So, but I noticed that I had made this little piece. I have two of these. One of them came with the camera, or the tripod, that's made of a plastic material that I use for the spot scope. Then I had made this one out of a small piece of plywood so that it fits up in here. You know, it kind of slides in there, and then that kind of just drops it in and locks it. So that works out pretty decent for me here. However, I noticed that it has a little chip right there, and it's starting to weaken, as you can see, because naturally the plywood is starting to split, and moving things around, you know, things happen. So I'm going to have to make another one of these. Now I do have naturally more plywood. However, somewhere over here, if I can remember where it is in this organized shop of mine, that I always know where everything is. Boy, I'm going to eat those words, aren't I? Yeah, I guess so. But somewhere around here, I have some solid square. Oh, here we go. I've got some Starboard, which is a heavy-duty plastic type material. They use this on boats a lot, especially for seats, because it doesn't, you know, collect mildew, rust, or anything like that. So it works well for seats and things, you know, for padding them and things. So I'm thinking about using this. Now I did make another piece out of this because I don't want to chance that one. So that's going to be part of my project. Alright, so we got it cut out. Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on. As you know, I'm organized, so everything's all over the place. That was the one that I had made out of plywood about 1.5, 2 years ago. A year and a half, 2 years. Yeah, 1.5, 2 years ago. And like I said, it started to split right down in here a little bit, because as you know, plywood is layered, and right there, as you can see, that little split. So I had some Starboard laying around, and I cut it out of Starboard. So I just got to clean it up a little bit now. But it goes in there, this goes down in there. I'm trying to do this with one hand, and that locks it in there. And now it's all locked in. And what's nice about Starboard, or any plastic type of materials, especially Starboard, there's a wax base to it. So it kind of like lubricates itself, especially against plastic. It'll just keep sliding easier and easier because of the wax that's in it. That's why it's hard to bond some of this stuff. You just can't glue it. You have to weld it. You know, there's material out there so the homeowner can do it, but they actually have welding guns, which is for this type of material or any other type of plastic or wax. Because like I say, most of your plastics have a bit of wax in them. Depending upon the plastic will depend upon how much wax. And that's why most of your epoxies and things won't stick to them. But anyway, I'm just going to clean that up a little bit and make it look a little prettier. I got to put the screw through it, and I'm done.